Hello and welcome to this Bond Solon video on Navigating Chambers & Partners, a leading legal research company that provides rankings and insight into the world's leading lawyers and law firms. Once someone has begun work as an expert witness, providing they are doing a good job, their practice will begin to grow organically, e.g., recurring instructions and word of mouth. But there are other ways in which experts can increase their future levels of instruction. We at Bond Solon are often asked how expert witnesses go about finding instructions and growing their practice. This, of course, depends on how much time you, the expert witness, can dedicate towards marketing and promoting your expert witness practice. As a starting point, we'd highly recommend that expert witnesses register with one or more of the leading expert witness directories. It is also worth checking if your professional body or association has a published list of members who offer expert witness services and get your name added to that. If you have been awarded the Cardiff University Bond Solon Expert Witness Certificate and/or the University of Aberdeen Bond Solon Expert Witness Certificate, it is also well worth registering on the National Register of University Certificated Expert Witness, details of which can be found on the Bond Solon website. The register is free to join, but to remain on it, you must complete 6 hours of expert witness CPD every 2 years. In addition to directories and registers, you might want to consider registering with an expert witness agency, specifically one with a good reputation and website. Expert witness agencies vary in size and structure. Some offer a wide range of expertise and others are far more niche. Each agency will engage experts on different financial terms. The agency route is one to consider if you have little time to dedicate to marketing your expert witness practice. We recommend carrying out some online research to identify suitable agencies. For those of you who have more time to allocate to promoting your expert witness practice, another effective way of marketing your services is to build a relationship with the prospective instructing solicitors. But how does one go about that? Chambers & Partners is the leading independent professional research company, operating across 200 jurisdictions. It delivers detailed rankings and insight into the world's leading lawyers and law firms. It's important to note that there are separate guides for each jurisdiction. In the remainder of this video, we will look at navigating the Chambers UK guide. So, the first crucial step is to ensure that you have navigated to the Chambers UK guide. Once on the Chambers UK guide, you can carry out a search of the guide depending on practice area and location. Practice areas include aviation, dispute resolution, banking litigation, clinical negligence, claimant or defendant, commercial and corporate litigation, construction, contentious, crime, employment, environmental, claimant, family, matrimonial, financial services, contentious, insurance, contentious claims, intellectual property, patent litigation, international arbitration, offshore dispute resolution, pensions litigation, personal injury, claimant or defendant, real estate litigation, and tax contentious. You can then select a location for lawyers and law firms operating in the practice area selected. Although, bear in mind, much of the expert's role these days can be carried out remotely, so location is perhaps less of a consideration than it once was. For example, if you would like a list of the top law firms in London, specialising in claimant-focused clinical negligence, you can filter like so. Once you have clicked the search button, the website will bring up a list of the top law firms in these categories and their ranking. Then, if you scroll down, you can view the key information on each law firm, and in particular, their clinical negligence team. This will allow you to see the types of cases that they are instructed on. As well as viewing the law firms, you can also view the key lawyers from these firms and their rankings. Then you can click on the lawyer's profile to view more detailed information, including their career history and their contact details. When contacting lawyers, we encourage you to personalise your email explaining how you have come across their details and why you are writing to them. Provide information relating to your specific expertise, experience, and qualifications. Outline your expert witness experience, if you have any, and refer to any expert witness training you have completed. Explain you're available for expert witness instruction and encourage them to share your details with relevant colleagues. Ensure the communication is clear and succinct. Bear in mind, less is more in this type of marketing activity. Ensure that your attached CV is up to date and contains all relevant expert witness experience, and remain professional and courteous throughout your communication with them. While some lawyers may appreciate a proactive approach, please do not be deterred by a lack of response. It could be that your CV will be kept on file until a relevant case arises.